Come up in my world, like and subscribe. It's ZIZI world, it's ZIZI world. Come and take a ride. I'm better than any channel. You know that I'm the best. It's ZIZI world, it's ZIZI world. Say it with your chest, ay.
What's up, ZIZI gang? This is your boy ZIZI, and today we're going to be making cookies. Now this is my cousin Jeremiah over here, and then we have our tools to make our cookies. So
this is the cookie dough, the roller, the spinner, mixer. We have the cookie cutters. Then we have
pecans.
Then we have the bowl to put the dough in.
Make sure you like and subscribe, and let's get into the video. So guys, we got our cookie open. Now we just gotta grab some and put it in there. Oh my, okay, just kind of what did you put in there? So what you put in there?
Yep.
Open it like, okay, yeah, there you go.
Just squish it.
Yeah. Oh, okay. What are you doing with that? And there we go. Okay. Now go ahead. Hey guys, so what we got here is some flour, and it wasn't like, it was kind of like stuck there. So we're gonna get this and like pour it on here, and then we can like mix it.
By the way, are y'all ready for Christmas?
Like, leave in the comments, like, what do you want for Christmas?
Type it in the comments.
Yeah, type it in the comments. Mix it up. Now it's time to roll it, guys. Wow. Oh, wow.
Wait.
God. You guys, do y'all see this?
I need some more flour. Type in the comments when you're going to Christmas break.
Yeah, like, comment down below. And comment down, what are you gonna do for Santa? Like, are you gonna make cookies for him? Or like, what are you gonna do for him? Cause I know he go across the world like a lot, so he's retired and stuff. Like, look, it kind of looks like a gingerbread a little bit, like a human a little bit though.
Just to get the sides off.
Yeah, kind of like flat, but it kind of looks like a human, like a gingerbread. We're making gingerbreads here. Guys, stay to watch the whole video when we add like these to it. Alright guys, so we finna mold the cookie and we're gonna push them on to make shapes and stuff. And then when we can make the shapes, pull it out and put it on here.
We pull the sides off.
Yeah.
Then whatever shape we put it in, we put it on the plate.
First we gotta get the pan first. There we go. Leave a comment below what you want for Christmas. And, Alright guys, so we got 2 cookies over there already. I'm trying to get more over there. Then we got 3rd.
Just like move it around and probably be easier.
I see what you mean. Okay. Yeah. Alright guys, so we got 4 cookies right now. Now we're gonna get our 5th with the shark again. Comment down below what you want for Christmas.
How was your Thanksgiving break?
Guys, we got 5 cookies, 5 cookies on here. Ooh. Comment down below what's your favorite Christmas song.
Is it Santa's coming to town or All I Want Is You for Christmas?
Or is it Jingle Bells? Ooh. Which one we have? And guys comment down below what's your favorite Christmas movie, like the Grinch or the Elf movie. Mine is the Polar Express.
Yeah, mine too.
Yeah, Polar Express is a good movie. Oh, that's good. We had our last one.
We have to make something the smallest one.
And guys, comment down below what's your favorite Christmas tradition that you guys do like every year. Like ours is we go to Mechanicsville to see the lights.
Type in the comments if you celebrated Hanukkah.
Here's a shirt. Then just like pull it outside. Okay guys, so we had shaped the cookies. Now we're finna put it in the oven. So make sure guys you have a parent around before you do this, because you can really burn yourself.
Or get hurt.
Or get hurt.
It's steaming.
There you go. Yeah. Okay guys, so we got the cookie in the oven. We got it on 10 minutes, and now we're gonna click start, and that'll be the end of the video. Like and subscribe, and comment if you want more videos like this. But next time, I'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.
I'm an icon, man. And my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.